All right, let's take a look at some goodies that I got recently. This first package is from Piesa Supply Company, and these are molds for making your own stones. I like this one because they're smaller than what I normally have, and I can also make 4 of them at once, which is exciting. And then the other mold is a square shape, kind of a round square shape like a pillow, and that just looked like a neat shape to me. You can find her shop on Etsy, which you see off to the left. She has tons of things, and she also included this really cute little button stone. It's so tiny and cute. I have to figure out what I want to do with this one, but it was a little extra bonus thank you gift. So let's see how these turned out. I went ahead and made some of the gypsum cement and poured it into all 5 of the molds. And you can see that the silicone mold pulls away very easily. So it's very easy to remove the homemade stones from the silicone mold. I'm also really excited about this new pillow shape. Now moving on to the 4-stone mold, and I really love that I can make 4 stones at once with this one. My other molds that I have from Happy Dotting Company are single molds, and you have to do one at a time, pull it out, then make another. So I love that I can make 4 all at one time, and this is a new size for me also. It's kind of a smallish medium size. Now moving on to package number 2. This is a set of Uni Pin Fineliner black pens, and so I'd seen these all over Instagram with a bunch of people that I followed. They came with 6 pens, all in graduated sizes. As you can see here, they're numbered, and you can kind of see the difference between the 0.1 and the 0.8. I'm going to write them out here. It's a very slight difference in between each pen, but it's nice. I think all of us rock painters can always find a use for any thickness of a pen. A lot of rock artists love the micron liner pens, and I've not had great luck with those, so I'm really excited to try these out. And for starters, I'm just going to create some shadowing on a rock that I created with the different sizes. And I'm really happy with the way these pens work. They are perfect to pick the right size. They go onto the stone very easily. I think my only caution would be when using this with acrylics is make sure that the paint is fully dry before you put this on, or you might dig into it because it's such a pointy tip. But I am really happy with the way these pens work, and I highly recommend. Okay, last box is a box of Santorini squares from Stones by Shelley. I wanted to show you how well these are packaged because that's important with Santorinis because they can break, and we all know that the Postal Service is not always super careful with packages and kind of toss them around. So I wanted to show you how well and carefully she packages these to make sure they get to you undamaged. You can find Shelley on Etsy. She has many different things that she offers. Regular Santorini stones, these squares, they're very affordably priced. They include shipping, and she also offers these baby shadows and sugar stones, nice round river rocks. She also has a really fun group on Facebook that you can join where they have contests. She'll post all of her sales. It's just a really nice group of people where you can get ideas, tips, and tutorials. So now as we're finally getting into this last package, you're going to see these awesome Santorini cubes that I got. They are 2 inches square, and they're kind of thick and chunky, which I like. They're kind of perfect for like paperweights. But there are 16 in each of these boxes. So I have 2 boxes of 16 for a total of 32. And it was a $29.50 package, but I believe I got a 20% discount because I caught her during one of her sales. So I love these. I've used them for homemade watercolors, paint pens, acrylic paint. They're really fun to work with, and I highly recommend. I have linked all 3 of these things in the video description, so if you go down below and expand the description, you can get to any of the Etsy shops or the Amazon link for the Uni Pin pens. I apologize if I just inspired you to empty your wallet a little bit. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Take care.